Tesla Robotaxi, everything you missed from the groundbreaking event. An important turning point in Tesla's progress toward autonomous ride-hailing was reached recently when the firm debuted the much-anticipated Cybercab at its We Robot event. This event emphasized innovation and self-driving technology, highlighting Tesla's goal of turning private automobiles into assets that generate revenue. In this video, we will go through 7 key takeaways from the groundbreaking presentation that you might have missed. Number 7. Event Overview. Tesla's We Robot event, which showcased the company's ambitious plans for the Cybercab, its first completely autonomous vehicle created especially for ride-hailing, was a turning point in the tech and automotive industries. The Warner Bros. Studios location in Burbank, California, was specifically picked to represent the nexus of entertainment and technology, and to capture the inventive spirit of Silicon Valley and Hollywood. Elon Musk's presentation was a thorough vision for the future of urban transportation, not just a standard product launch. Musk explained how the Cybercab might help with important problems like air pollution, traffic jams, and accessibility in cities all across the world. By emphasizing how the Cybertaxi would run on renewable energy, he highlighted Tesla's dedication to sustainability. Musk displayed live examples of the car negotiating intricate urban settings during the presentation, showcasing its capacity to manage real-world situations on its own. Number 6. Cybercab features. Tesla's vision for a future when autonomous ride-hailing services rule the road is embodied by the innovative Cybertaxi. Its carefully considered design improves passenger comfort and functionality. Because urban commuters frequently seek out efficient transportation without the need for additional seating, the two-seat design is very strategic. In addition to lowering vehicle weight, this minimalist strategy optimizes interior room for short-distance passenger comfort. Butterfly-type doors are more than just a cosmetic decision, they make it simple to enter and exit confined urban areas where traditional doors could be difficult. Fundamentally, the Cybertaxi uses a sophisticated set of cameras that offer full 360-degree vision, enabling it to recognize bikes, pedestrians, and other cars with exceptional accuracy. In addition to this camera-centric strategy, Tesla's in-house neural networks evaluate enormous volumes of data in real time. Number 5. Tesla Network. With the introduction of the Tesla Network, a revolutionary approach to vehicle use is presented, one that is consistent with current trends toward sustainability and shared mobility. This platform offers a substantial departure from conventional car ownership patterns by allowing Tesla owners to rent out their Cybercabs when they are not in use. This allows people to maximize asset utilization and generate passive revenue. Similar to how hosts oversee rentals on websites like Airbnb, owners can offer their cars on the Tesla network with ease using an easy-to-use software interface that lets them customize availability times and prices based on market demand. In addition to helping car owners, this approach makes it easier for customers who might not own a car, but occasionally need transportation or would rather not use more conventional ride-hailing services like Uber or Lyft. Number 4. Delayed expectations. Tesla's ability to reach its ambitious deployment deadlines is a major problem, notwithstanding the hoopla around the Cybercab's introduction. Musk's insistence on perfection and quality control standards inside Tesla's engineering processes is evident in the fact that the release, which was originally scheduled for August 2024, has been pushed back to October due to design changes he requested. Analyst conversations over Tesla's past struggles to fulfill self-driving technology deadlines have been rekindled by this delay. Several cite earlier cases where schedules were delayed because of unanticipated technical issues or regulatory barriers. Given the increased scrutiny surrounding autonomous vehicles after multiple high-profile incidents involving self-driving technology failures that have raised public concerns about safety standards, such delays raise serious questions about whether Tesla can manage these complexities without sacrificing safety or functionality. As competition in the autonomous car area heats up, investors are especially aware of these events. Number 3. Regulatory challenges. There are numerous legislative obstacles in the way of the Cybercab's deployment, which could have a big influence on how widely it is implemented in different regions throughout the world. Autonomous vehicles are subject to complicated regulatory frameworks that vary greatly between jurisdictions. Many places place strict restrictions on testing and operation because of safety concerns raised by previous incidents involving self-driving cars that have led to fatalities or accidents. Before any autonomous vehicle can be allowed for public use, these restrictions frequently need substantial documentation proving compliance with safety standards. This can be a time-consuming and bureaucratic procedure. Public opinion also has a significant influence on regulatory rules. Many consumers are still wary of riding in completely autonomous cars because they have concerns about safety and dependability, which regulators must take into account when creating laws governing their use. Tesla needs to actively interact with national, state, and local regulatory agencies to promote laws that encourage innovation while maintaining public safety as the top priority if it hopes to effectively introduce its Robotaxi project. In order to create regulations that enable the safe testing and implementation of autonomous technologies while addressing public safety concerns, this endeavor may entail intensive lobbying efforts and cooperation with government organizations. Number 2. Market competition. With its foray into the robotaxi market, Tesla faces off against established rivals like Waymo and Cruise, both of which have started pilot programs in a few American cities and amassed a wealth of information on customer behavior and operational logistics through years of testing. These businesses have put a lot of money into creating their autonomous technologies and have made great progress in fostering public confidence through rigorous testing procedures and open communication about their strengths and weaknesses. These elements are essential for winning over customers in an industry where safety and dependability are viewed with suspicion. According to analysts, Tesla could drastically upend current transportation models if it can successfully implement its cybercab concept while upholding its reputation for quality and innovation. Within a few years of going live, it might even generate more money from ride-hailing services than it does from traditional car sales. However, accomplishing this lofty objective calls for not only technological prowess, but also successful marketing techniques meant to draw consumers away from well-known services like Uber and Lyft and persuade them of the advantages of using Tesla's network over rivals. Tesla needs to set itself apart from the competition in this quickly changing market environment, which is marked by quick technological advancements and changing consumer preferences. By implementing superior technology, improving the customer experience, implementing competitive pricing strategies, and forming strategic alliances that improve its services. Number 1. Investor sentiment. Following the We Robot event, investor sentiment has been unusually mixed, expressing both optimism about Tesla's innovative capabilities and skepticism based on historical performance inconsistencies regarding advancements in self-driving technology over recent years marked by fluctuating stock prices influenced by unmet expectations regarding developments in self-driving capabilities over longer time periods than initially projected timelines suggested. They would occur during the previously specified timeframes, which have been previously discussed in public on several occasions during presentations given by Elon Musk himself at events like the one that was held last week at Warner Bros. Studios. During this event, he unveiled new features that are directly related to improving user experiences across all aspects involved throughout entire processes surrounding ownership experiences that are directly tied back to utilizing these vehicles successfully when they go on sale later this year, hopefully sooner rather than later if all goes as planned. Future phases and development cycles are projected based on current projections that were discussed earlier today during keynote speeches that lasted the whole program. Today's presentation highlights the most recent developments being made in the direction of reaching the complete autonomy levels required prior to any broad acceptance by the general public in various parts of the world. People living in urban environments today are looking for alternatives to the traditional modes of transportation that are currently available in the marketplace, competing against established players that are already dominating the field, such as Uber, Lyft, and others. These challenges are primarily related to regulatory compliance issues that arise from various factors influencing perceptions regarding safety concerns tied directly back to using these types of technologies implemented in everyday lives. This degree of specificity highlights important elements pertinent to stakeholders in a variety of industries while offering a thorough summary of every point pertaining to Tesla's Robotaxi project. If you liked our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.